Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our channel. In Part 4, we'll discuss special considerations for maintaining the system. This is crucial for ensuring the efficiency and longevity of your Prius. Let's get into it. Spring maintenance tips. As the weather warms up, it's a good time to prepare your car for the driving season ahead. Inspect the tires. Check for any damage caused by winter driving, and ensure they are properly inflated. If you used winter tires, switch back to all-season or summer tires. Check the brakes. Winter driving can be hard on brakes. Inspect them for wear and tear and replace them if necessary. Wash and wax. Remove any road salt and grime accumulated over the winter. A thorough wash and wax will protect your car's paint. Replace wiper blades. Winter conditions can wear out wiper blades quickly. Replace them to ensure clear visibility in spring showers. Check fluid levels. Ensure all fluids, including windshield washer fluid, coolant, and oil, are at proper levels. Summer maintenance tips. Hot weather can be tough on your car. These tips will help you keep your Prius running smoothly through the summer months. Check the air conditioning. Test your air conditioning system to ensure it's working properly. If it's not cooling effectively, have it inspected and serviced. Inspect the cooling system. Check the coolant level and inspect hoses and belts for any signs of wear or leaks. Overheating can be a common problem in summer. Check tire pressure. Hot weather can cause tire pressure to increase. Make sure your tires are properly inflated to avoid blowouts. Protect the interior. Use sunshades to protect your car's interior from the sun's UV rays, which can cause fading and cracking. Battery check. High temperatures can affect your battery's performance. Ensure the battery is securely mounted and clean. Fall maintenance tips. Preparing your Prius for the colder months ahead is crucial for ensuring reliability and safety. Check the heating system. Test your heating system to ensure it's working properly. This includes the defroster, which is essential for clear visibility. Inspect the tires. As temperatures drop, tire pressure can decrease. Check your tire pressure regularly and consider switching to winter tires if you live in an area with harsh winters. Check the lights. Ensure all lights, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals, are functioning properly. Shorter days mean more driving in the dark. Replace the cabin air filter. Fall is a good time to replace the cabin air filter to ensure good air quality inside your car. Check the battery. Cold weather can affect battery performance. Have your battery tested to ensure it's in good condition for winter. Winter maintenance tips. Winter driving can be challenging, so it's essential to prepare your Prius for the colder months. Switch to winter tires. If you live in an area with snow and ice, switch to winter tires for better traction and safety. Check antifreeze levels. Ensure your coolant, antifreeze is at the proper level and the right mixture to prevent freezing. Keep the gas tank full. A full gas tank can help prevent moisture from freezing in the fuel lines. Check the battery. Cold weather can strain your battery. Have it tested and replace it if necessary. Keep an emergency kit. Include items such as a blanket, ice scraper, flashlight, and emergency supplies in your car in case of a winter emergency. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you can ensure your Toyota Prius 2024 remains reliable and efficient throughout the year. Regular maintenance not only enhances your car's performance but also keeps you safe on the road. Special considerations for the Toyota Prius hybrid system. Maintaining the hybrid system in your Toyota Prius 2024 is crucial for ensuring its efficiency and longevity. Here are some special considerations and maintenance tips specifically for the hybrid components of your vehicle. High voltage battery maintenance. The high voltage battery is a key component of your Prius's hybrid system. Proper maintenance is essential for its performance and longevity. Regular driving. Regular use of your Prius helps keep the high voltage battery in good condition. Long periods of inactivity can negatively impact the battery's health. Avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme heat and cold can affect the high voltage battery. Whenever possible, park your car in a shaded area or garage to protect the battery from extreme temperatures. Battery cooling system. Ensure the battery cooling system is functioning properly. Clean or replace the cooling fan filter as needed to maintain efficient cooling. Regenerative braking system. The regenerative braking system in your Prius helps recharge the high-voltage battery and improves fuel efficiency. Proper maintenance of this system is important. Brake inspections. Regularly inspect the brakes to ensure they are in good condition. The regenerative braking system helps reduce wear on the brake pads, but they should still be checked regularly. Smooth driving. Practice smooth driving habits to maximize the benefits of the regenerative braking system. Avoid sudden stops and starts when possible. Hybrid system fluids. The hybrid system in your Prius uses specific fluids that require regular checks and maintenance. Inverter coolant. The inverter coolant helps keep the hybrid system's components cool. Check the inverter coolant level regularly and top it up as needed. Replace the coolant according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Transmission fluid. The hybrid system's transmission fluid should be checked and replaced according to the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. Software updates. Toyota periodically releases software updates for the hybrid system to improve performance and address any issues. Regular updates. Ensure your Prius's hybrid system software is up to date. These updates can be done during regular service appointments at your Toyota dealership. Hybrid system warning lights. Your Prius is equipped with warning lights and indicators to alert you to any issues with the hybrid system. Monitor warning lights. Pay attention to any hybrid system warning lights on your dashboard. If a warning light comes on, have your car inspected by a qualified technician as soon as possible. Use a diagnostic tool. Consider investing in a diagnostic tool that can read hybrid system codes. This can help you identify and address issues promptly. Professional hybrid system service. While there are many maintenance tasks you can perform yourself, some aspects of the hybrid system require professional service. Certified technicians. Have your Prius serviced by certified Toyota technicians who are trained to work on hybrid systems. They have the expertise and tools needed to properly maintain and repair the hybrid components. Regular maintenance schedule. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule for your Prius. Regular professional inspections and services will help ensure the hybrid system remains in optimal condition. By paying attention to these special considerations and maintenance tips for the hybrid system, you can help ensure your Toyota Prius 2024 remains efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly. Proper care of the hybrid components not only enhances your driving experience but also contributes to the longevity of your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.